So in order to live in my car, what I did was I took out the front seat. Super simple. I took out these 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4. All my trash, books, extra stuff goes underneath my bed. My bed's over here. All I did with this was, in high school I wrestled, and this is part of the mat that went on the wall. I got 2 4x4s or whatever those are, and I screwed them on the bottom. 1 screw right here, 1 screw right here, and this fits perfectly inside here. So what I'm gonna do now is clean this up, put the bed back in, vacuum around, and then put the bed in. And I'll show you guys the installation after that. 1, 2, 3, 4, those are 4 screws you take out. I just leave the cords on the ground. That's for the, it senses if a person's in the seat and it beeps until they put their seatbelt on. Don't want to mess with it, so I'm leaving it there. That's put all the books back down and put the bed back when the bed's in, just clean it off. I still need to put all the books underneath, so I'm going to maneuver them. There's a little bit of space under there. So I'm going to put all the books and DVDs underneath there, and my broken laptops. That's about it. All done and clean. There's my refrigerator back there. Shout out Ronquay's mom. I got some beans in there that she cooked up for me. Tastes pretty good. And I got Reflectix on one side to insulate it. I have a little layer of air in between that I use. Actually, I use more Reflectix to space it. And then I put black cloth on the other side. So these keep me insulated at nighttime, and they also make it look completely blacked out. So put it in the window like that. I'll show you guys. It fits perfectly in there. Just like that. And then from the outside perspective, it looks like it's tinted windows. So it doesn't look like I'm living in my car. That's what I'm going for. Only thing going against that is the fact that I got a big ass canoe on top of my car. But you got to conquer water and land. You can't just conquer land. Next step is air after that. So yeah, about to go to the beach and sleep in my nice car tonight.